In Java, set and map are two important interfaces available in the collection framework. Both set and map interfaces are used to store the collection object as in a single unit. In the main difference between set and map is that the set is unordered and contains the different element, whereas the map contains the data in the key and value format. Now we see the what is set interface. In the Java util package provides a set interface. Set is an implementation of implemented by extending the collection interface. It doesn't allow the add the some element into it. It doesn't maintain the instruction order because it contains element and created a sorted way. For designing the mathematical set, we can use the set interface in Java. Now, second concept is map interface. Map is another important interface available in the collection framework, collection interface. So, in order to use a map interface, we have to extend the collection interface. Just like set map is used to store the collection of object as a single unit. Each object stores in a key and pair value. We can easily access the value using just the key because each value associated with the unique key and value. We can easily search and update or delete the element by using the map. In the map and sorted map are both interfaces, and tree map, linked hash map, and hash map and tree map are three classes of the map. If we need to traverse the map, we have to convert it into the list because map doesn't can be traversed. After converting the set, we can traverse using the set methods, like a key set, interset, etc. Now we see the difference between both of them. Set in the set is used to construct the mathematical set in Java. In the map is used to mapping the database. Second, set cannot contain repeated value, and map can have same value for different time. In set can help to store the unique value. In the map interface represent the mapping between the key and value. In the set is a subtype of a collection interface. Map is a not subtype but collection interface. At most the set can have null value. In map can have many values as possible. That's all about set and map. Thank you.